Hi, I'm Cameron, and today's lesson 8 of 5th grade math. First, we should do yesterday's homework. 10 kilograms equals how many milligrams? This is a really hard one, even for me. So, first, you break that down. Then, 10,000 kilograms is 1,000 times 10. So you just count how many zeros there are. 4. That's 10,000 grams. You multiply that by 1,000. So, okay, so you have 7 zeros. Wow, that's a few too many. Okay, so let's see how many that is. 10 million? So the answer is 10 million milligrams. Well, that was a really fun one. Took me a long time to solve. Today's lesson, reducing fractions. So, basically reducing fractions is when you have like a big fraction like 10 out of 20 and you make it smaller, so in equations it's easier to solve. So we can do this. So if it's like this, and if there are 2 zeros at the end of both, well, first let's introduce fractions. That, the number on the bottom, is called the denominator. And that side, the top, is called the numerator. An easy way to remember this, like how I remembered it, is denominator starts with a D, and with D you can spell down. So this is this is down the line. So 10 out of 20. If both the numerator and denominator end in zeros, you just cross off the zeros to get 1/2. Let's try another one just like this. 20 out of 40. So, cross off zeros. Now you get 2 out of 4. So now you're supposed to find the least common multiple. So that's like what you can divide both to get the smallest number possible. Right now, it's 2. Because 4 is divisible by 2. So if you divide that by 2, you get 1. If you divide that by 2, you get 2. Because 20 and 40, 20 or 40 and 10 out of 20 are basically the same. But they're just smaller. If you reduce it, they'll get the same. Now let's do something a bit harder. $12 out of 20. So the greatest common multiple here, it's 4, right? Because 4 times 5 is 20, and 4 times 3 is 12. You can't go any higher, like 6. That's not divisible by 6. 8. Neither of them. 10. No, and we won't go any higher because we know that's not going to work. So it's 4, right? I just leave that up there so I don't remember it. So you divide each one by 4. So 12 divided by 4, 3. And 20 divided by 4. And 3/5. Sometimes if you can't find the greatest common multiple, just divide it by 2 as many times as you need to get to the lowest. Also, sometimes it's not divisible by 2 and divisible by 5 because either ends in a 0 or 5. Let's do a couple of more examples. So, let's do another one. Oh, I know. 30 5 over 70. This may seem like it's going to be a bit hard, but it's not that hard when you know it. So, let's see. The highest that can be divisible by is 7 and 5. I was thinking of 5 at first, but then I saw, no, that can be divided by 7. So, let's see if it can work. $35 divided by 7, 5. 7 divided by 7, 10. Now that you have 5/10, it can even go lower. You can't, that's like the highest that and those two can go, but this can go lower. They're both divisible by 5. So, one half. 35 over 70 is 1/2. Let's do one last example before we jump right into our great homework. I'm thinking about it right now. Okay. So. Oh. Okay, I know. 31 over 46. This is a hard one. So you may be thinking 31 isn't divisible by anything. Yeah, you're right, it isn't. This proves that not all fractions can be reduced. So like this one stays the same. Even though it's huge, still can't be reduced. Now let's go into today's homework. Okay, so this one I need to write. Okay, so make a fraction that the So, make a fraction that the numerator and denominator are both divisible by 9. We'll be back to answer this question. Bye.